my dog, Bo. She's the cutest dog in the world. She's a Yorkshire Terrier. Say hello, don't ignore the camera. Good girl. She's 3, like my gecko. Like I said, she is a Yorkshire Terrier. She's nice. Her name is Bo. And she's mine. Oh look, go on your bed. How cute is her bed? Sometimes she hides under her bed. Yeah, this is my doggy. She eats all the leftovers of our food. She has a lot. Don't really eat a lot. Say hello, guys. Sit on your bed. Go sit. Bo, stand. Oh wait, look. She walks up. Look, Bo, come here. Well, she's tired today. She usually just jumps up at me. She's upside down. Woo! This is my doggy. And please rate, comment, subscribe. Maybe leave a like.